It's your girl, Show Enough. Thank you for joining in with me today. I'm not going to show my face because I'm not camera ready, but what I wanted to come to you with today is this pan that I showed you just the other day. I told you that it was not a 12-cup pan, and I did a demonstration. Well, I decided to keep the pan. I'm going to give it away for, How about that? On my 500 subscriber. How about that? So anyway, this is the pan that I got in place of that one. This is the Nordic Anniversary heavyweight pan. It's very good. This is a 12 to 15 cup pan, bundt pan. So what I'm going to do, I made a cake, and the cake is by Carol. Let me look at that. It's Cooking with Carol. So I really like that recipe, so I decided to make it. Let me just show you the recipe because I did upload it. This is the recipe cake that I made. It's a lemon cream cheese pound cake. And so this is that Nordic pan. Remember I told you guys I really do not like Nordic cake pans. But this is the one that was highly recommended. I'm just shaking it a little bit just to get it to come out. And Carol suggested that you get this cake recipe needed a 12 cup. So here we go. This is really hot. You saw me, didn't you?
You can just give it more. You can cut it out.
So let's see, did it do what I wanted it to do? Look how beautiful that is. And I want to show you this cake pan side by side. Look at that. And by the way, my hair is braided and I'm not camera ready. But because I showed you myself bending over right quick, how about you just see my face here? Hi. So my hair is braided and I had to put the stocking cap on in order to do this video today, or cook in the kitchen. So, okay, off of me, back to the cake. Okay, so this is the lemon glaze that Carol made as well. It's a beautiful cake, and I want to thank Carol. So this video, I will tag her in if I can. Making that beautiful lemon glaze with the zest. This was my first time doing the zest. Look at that, guys. That is a beautiful cake. And I may post me cutting it because someone commented that I should, eat a piece of something that I make. And this is just beautiful. So thank you for tuning in with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Being cut by my love. This is a lemon cream cheese pound cake. No, you don't have to, do it that way. Did you see him? He was doing like this here with the...
Was it because it didn't see?
No, it will cut. Don't be making it bad. So let's see.
Making it good.
You were. Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
But anyway, taste the cake, though. Oh, that's not how you do it. Let's see how moist the cake is.
The cake is extremely moist.
Guys, I made...
Oh, yum, yum, yum.
This is how you see how moist the cake is. You see that, guys? See how it bounced right back?
That's a happy cake.